Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to install Rocky Linux 8.7 on VMware Workstation Pro 17. So Rocky Linux is a flavor of CentOS project, and CentOS is a flavor of Red Hat Enterprise Linux. So by default, VMware Workstation Pro 17 supports Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8 version flavors. So since it's a flavor of RHL, I am selecting Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8 as a flavor. So I have provided one name to the virtual machine, and I'm giving a name to virtual machine and provide the path. So this is the path where Rocky Linux 8.7 will be get installed. Next I am giving 40 GB hard disk size and store it as a single file. Next I am customizing the hardware, so allocating around 8 GB RAM. Next CPU cores, I am allocating 4 CPU cores. So ISO image file I already downloaded from Rocky Linux website. So ISO image file I am selecting Rocky Linux 8.7. Next network adapter I am choosing host only network adapter, which means I am not going to connect to the internet during the installation. So everything will be done offline. So this is a purely offline installation. I am not going to connect to internet. So Rocky Linux 8.7 virtual machine is created. Now let us start the installation. So let us start the installation. So VMware Workstation Pro 17 by default support Red Hat Linux 8.x flavors. So all the guest isolation features will be installed in Rocky Linux 8.7. So installation screen is started. So English will be the default language. So I have selected the installation destination. Software selection is server with guy. Next I am creating providing root password. Next I am going to create on login username. So using this user only, I will going to log into Alma Linux 8. Rocky Linux 8.7. Next I am selecting date and time according to my locale. That's it. Begin the installation. So installation is completed. Let us reboot Rocky Linux 8.7. So accept the license agreement. So also I am noting down that Rocky Linux 8.7 is started in full screen. Okay, without adjusting any screen resolution. I can able to see that it started in full screen, which means that all the guest isolation features, that is guest addition features, are installed by default. Okay. So now I am going to open the terminal and going to run some commands. After running those commands, I am going to copy paste the output in Notepad. So that is a copy paste the output in Windows host. So let me copy this and go to Windows source machine. So let me clear the notepad, paste it. Yes, I can able to copy paste from Rocky Linux 8.7 version machine to VMware Windows source machine. Okay, which means that shared clipboard feature is working. So let me try from a Windows host machine to Rocky Linux 8.7 virtual machine. So I am going to copy paste this command from Windows host to Rocky Linux 8.7 virtual machine. Yes, so again able to copy paste, which means share clipboard is working from both side. So finally Rocky Linux 8.7 installation on VMware Workstation Pro 17 is successful. So all the guest edition features are installed by default. So no need to connect to internet. Everything is done offline.